We here at Mac Practice welcome you, and we are excited for you to learn more about our partnership with Jive, a telecommunications integration with our Mac Practice software. With Jive, you won't need to ask a patient to spell their last name when they dial into your office, or put a patient on hold while you're trying to locate their record. By integrating with Jive, Mac Practice wants to work with your office to keep communication with your patients easy, personalized, and more efficient. Jive's business phone system replaces existing phone equipment with a cloud-hosted solution. This means that your desk and smartphones work together and are managed from the internet via a web browser and a mobile app. Jive's Cloud Voice over Internet Protocol, which is a phone service delivered over the internet instead of a traditional landline. This service helps thousands of organizations simplify how they manage their phone and conferencing setup. Jive has more features in addition to the features that we will be discussing today, which are the ones that integrate with Mac Practice. But when you speak with your Jive specialist, you may find other features that Jive offers that may also benefit your practice. Your Jive account manager will help you through all of the details, from setting up your new phones to creating a dialing plan and even helping you keep your existing office phone number. Using your new phone system with Mac Practice is simple with the new Communicator window. So let's take a look at the 5 Jive Communicator subheaders. To make calls from the Jive Communicator, you can dial out in 2 ways. You can either click on the dialer tab and enter in the number of the recipient, or click on the blue icons next to the phone fields in Mac Practice. The Call tab is where all incoming calls will appear. If the call is coming from a patient, Mac Practice will search for patients with the matching phone number in your database. Once Mac Practice has located the number, all the patients tied to that phone number will display on the communicator. You will then be able to click on Go to Patient next to the patient's name, and Mac Practice will automatically pull up a new window straight to that patient's account. This will leave your other window as is, so you can quickly resume your tasks when the call is completed. The Contacts tab. This tab will allow you to customize and add all frequent numbers you might use. For example, adding in other office numbers, pharmacy numbers, or lab clinic numbers. This will make the workflow faster. Your contact list is saved for your user, so that each staff member can easily access the people they need to reach most. The Call Log. This tab will show recent call history that has come into the office or has dialed out from each user. The tab will display the patient's name, phone number, and the times that the calls were placed. If you become disconnected from a patient, you can click on this tab and redial the number quickly. The Preferences tab allows each user to customize the way in which the Jive Communicator window behaves. For example, under General, users can choose whether or not they want to be alerted in Mac Practice when there is an incoming or outgoing call. You can also reset the connection and log into Jive from the Generals tab. In the Lines subtab, you can see which phone lines are currently assigned to you and choose which one you will use for the default. If there is ever a power outage, Jive will have your back with their phone system. As a matter of fact, Jive is internet outage proof and anticipates situations like this. Jive ensures that all calls will be rerouted to a fail-safe line with your backup phone. Managing and customizing your dial plans is simple and easy on your Jive portal. You can even transfer calls to your cell phone so that you can turn any location into a workplace. Jive is easy and affordable, and now can be part of your Mac Practice experience. For more details about how you could start using Jive in your office, contact Mac Practice or read through additional information on the help desk.